In the beginning, many people, when they are first time doing meditation, they go into sleep. This is called as yogic sleep. There are 4 stages. The first is yogic sleep. The second is yogic samadhi. The third is yogic experiences. The fourth is yogic wisdom. So many days you will spend only in yogic sleep. You start with meditation, you go sleep. But that yogic sleep is a very, very wonderful sleep. Half an hour of yogic sleep is equivalent to 6 hours of normal sleep. In the normal sleep, you have got so many dreams, so many things are happening in your mind. You are more tensed sometimes than when you are not in sleep. Okay. So, lot of energy is wasted in dreams, in unwanted dreams. Many dreams could be message dreams, but many or 90% on an average are unwanted dreams. So, you lose a lot of energy in the dreams. The soul's energy is lost in the dreams. So, that's why you need to sleep a sound sleep where there are no dreams. That is yogic sleep.